Ever wonder why people say bless you when you sneeze? It's not just polite, it's steeped in history and superstition. One theory dates back to ancient times when people believed sneezing could expel your soul from your body, leaving it vulnerable to evil spirits. A quick bless you was like a spiritual shield. During the plague in the Middle Ages, Pope Gregory I encouraged saying it as a prayer to protect against illness. Today, it's more of a reflex than a divine safeguard, but the habit stuck. Fun, right? So, next time you sneeze and hear bless you, just know you're part of an ancient tradition. Hit like if this fact made you smile